I want to take a moment to talk about the Fresh Australian Kitchen cast iron skillets purchased on Amazon. This is a 12.5-inch skillet and the 10-inch skillet. The 10-inch skillet has a nice handle, which for flipping, really easy, nice, not too heavy of a pan. The 12.5-inch skillet is a little bit shorter of a handle, but it also comes with a secondary handle on the other side for grasping with two hands when you have a full pan. I did not see a whole lot of videos on YouTube about these, so I figured I'd just post one myself. Both pans currently are, the 12.5-inch pan currently is on sale for $30, and the 10-inch pan is also currently $30 on Amazon. I wanted to talk about the finish of these pans. These pans come pre-seasoned, absolutely smooth. Other pans that I have, other cast iron pans that I have Lodge. I have quite a few old Lodge pans, and they are really a rough, grainy surface, which I have seen other videos where folks, they will grind down the surface and make them smooth and then re-season these. The inside of these pans are absolutely smooth. There is no need to grind the inside. They're ready to cook. Just rinse them off, take a quick wash, rinse them off, and then you're cooking. I've used these pans quite a bit in the last couple weeks that I've had them, and really nothing sticks to them. The underside is also seasoned, but it's more of your rougher texture, like the Lodge pans that I have, my old Lodge pans. I love these pans. I would highly recommend getting these pans and using them. They will be something I will pass down to my daughter when she is old enough to use them. So I hope you enjoyed these videos and make a better choice decision about buying these pans. I will post the links below.